What does it mean to lead by serving? Servant leadership comes from Robert Greenleaf's 1970 landmark work, The Servant as Leader. Greenleaf told the story of a group of travelers that included Leo, the person who served the group. Leo may have been the servant, but his powerful presence led and influenced the group. Leo was valued as leader because of his servant's heart and the fact that he never lost sight of being of service to his fellow travelers. This is the essence of servant leadership, leading by serving one's people. Effective leading by serving is by a leader who was first a servant. In fact, some servant leaders are never officially given the title of leader. Instead, servant leaders serve their followers in whatever role or position they currently occupy. Their servitude, concern, and ultimately their influence are what define them as leader. In fact, Greenleaf believed a person should have an opportunity to serve first, before ever being assigned the role of leader. Followers should require this of their leaders and refuse to follow any leader that had not first been a servant. Every leader should first be a servant. Marnix and Eaglin, Gandhi, etc. But for those who may not have had this initial opportunity, it's still possible to be an effective servant leader. Followers of a leader who has a true servant's heart can detect their leader's authenticity and how much their leader cares for them. Within this atmosphere, followers are willing to support their leader and go where he or she leads them. There's truth to the saying, they don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. Leading by serving challenges the traditional interpretation of what it means to lead. And servant leadership is not always taken seriously as a legitimate method because its terms, servant and leadership, seem contradictory. Yet a growing number of leaders can be pointed to as servant leaders, and a growing number of would-be leaders are finding validity in this leadership method. Those who lead by serving have found an authenticity among their followers due to their earnest desire to elevate their followers by serving them. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.